Alright, let's do it. Let's unpack this package. Yay. So this is how it looks, fresh new. It's a little bit larger than the other cards I have. Show the other ones I have. Alright, so I see that they made it a little bit larger. Like these are the cards I use for my yin yoga, these ones. And they made it a little bit bigger, so like this amount of bigger. It's actually the same size as the chair yoga deck. It's the same format. I forgot I had a chair deck. I never used it, but I used these so much. I had that. I think they even look a little bit kind of not completely new, a little yellow and such, because I really used a lot of these. So let us try this. Do you also have this thing about smelling things? It smells like a book. 79 cards. Each card features a pose, breathing technique, or somatic practice. So we'll see. It comes with a little book, so normally they have like a little description about what it is inside. Now is the time. Oh, it comes in 2 parts. So this is one deck and the other. We'll see what's the difference between these two. So I guess these ones might be actual poses, and maybe in the other one it might be something else. Doesn't smell like a book, this one. Restorative yoga is like, if I could compare it, it's like yin yoga, but the poses are held more longer and it's way more props used. It looks very sweet. I like the colors. Oh, I never thought about doing a fish pose like this. Very nice. So it has different variations. Oh my god, this is gold. Like, I love it. It's a little similar to yin deck. Some poses are similar, but also there are poses I never thought about. For example, recline twist. Recline twisted scorpion. Like, this is so cool. And then on the other side, there is, I don't know what this is, some sort of yin-yang stuff. I will need to read later. Some poses are familiar and used, some not that used, some I didn't think about. And I see there is a portion of breathing exercises. Oh wow, it's actually a lot of breathing exercises. All these. Lunar breathing. Lunar breathing I learned quite recently, actually. Belt breathing. What the heck is this? I'll need to read about it. Emotions like anger. It kind of shows where anger settles in the body. Disgust, ego, envy, fear, sadness, shame. Beautiful graphics. It's like one thing, 2 opposites. For example, fear, and the opposite of the fear is trust. Very symbolic. You can put a, symbolism into yoga classes. Like, this is anger, and this is kindness, embracing the little wolf. That's so nice. To summarize, it's restorative poses, and then there is basically description where emotions stay in the body, and then there is this opposite. I don't know if I could say shame is a feeling, shame feeling, and the opposite is acceptance. Maybe it's opposite feelings. Oh my god, I love this one. Ahara activation. Place flat hands or fists on your lower abdomen and fold. cool. So basically it's a pose, and on the other side it is what feelings are affected. So neat. That's so much things to get inspired by. I don't regret so far buying this, by the way. And this is partly poses as well, with the belts. I love this pose. I like including it into my classes. All right, I'm inspired. I'm so happy.